Hello everybody. In this video I will be talking about data normalization process. That is the part of data preprocessing. We consider data from the operational sources for data mining purpose. And what we know is operational system data may not comply with data mining requirements, as operational system data may contain some noise, inconsistency, incompleteness. So we have to do data preprocessing. Data normalization is a technique used to transform features in a dataset to a common scale, improving the performance and accuracy of data mining algorithms. The main goal of data normalization is to eliminate the potential biases and distortions caused by the different scales of data. We know that operational source system data may be given in one range or one scale, and our data mining algorithm may expect data in some other range. So data given in one range should be converted into the range expected by the data mining algorithms. So for that purpose of conversion of data given in one range to another range, we will be using data normalization techniques. In this video I will be talking about min-max normalization technique. Okay, now how we can normalize the data using min-max technique? For that I will be writing a simple Python code. Now let's start writing code. Let's suppose that we have the income. Suppose we have income as a variable, list of income. Let's suppose this is the first value, then 22,000, 3,000, 2,900. Okay, let's suppose these are the values. These values are given in thousands. Now we want to convert this value to some other range. For this, what we do is first we figure out the max and minimum of this value. Old mean is equal to mean income. Old max is equal to max income. Okay, let's print this. Print old mean old max. Okay, let's save this. Now let's run this. Now we can see the old minimum and maximum. Here minimum is 1900, maximum is 3000. Now what we do is, now we specify the new range. Okay, these values are given in thousands. Now let's suppose that we want to convert these values into range 1 to 5. Okay. New mean is equal to 1, new max is equal to 5. We have to convert these given values 1900, 2000 and so on to range 1 to 5, okay, including 1 to 5. For that we will be using the formula. Let's use the new value. Let's suppose this is a variable. Now let's loop through this list for I in income in range 0 to len income. Then what are we supposed to do? New value is equal to, okay, let's income I minus old mean divided by old max minus old mean multiplied by new max minus new mean plus new mean. Okay, now let's display these values. Format it. Income I, okay, bracket off, then let's colon, then new value colon, let's have only 2 decimal points. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, now you can see the given values, these are converted into the given range. Okay, this is the print. because of this printed statement we are finding it. Actually converted values are this: 1900 is converted to 1, 2000 is converted to 1.36, 3000 is the maximum value and it is converted to 5. So in this way, using this min max normalization formula, we can convert the data given in one range into whatever range we want. We can change this value. If you want to change this to 0 and 1, so just write minimum as new min as 0, new max as 1. Now let's run this. For this is confusing, let's remove this. Okay, now let's display this. Now you can see here 1900 the minimum, so it is 0, 3000 maximum, this is the 1. So in this way, using this min max normalization, we can convert data given in one range into the another range. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.